traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, December 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the euro yen, I still think that we are very likely in a wave 4, which will likely make 3 waves down before it goes up and makes a wave 5, to complete what I think is a very clear 5-wave pattern to the upside on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the weekly. Now, I personally think that the wave B is unlikely already over. I think this might even end up being like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside for a 5-wave pattern for the wave C. Taking it down to the daily time frame. So yeah, the market is definitely going up on the daily. Now the trend is definitely down, but the market flow is definitely up. So I don't see why you wouldn't want to look for longs on sort of time frames while you're paying very close attention to these Fibonacci levels for a reversal, possibly the end of a wave 2 and possibly the beginning of a wave 3. So taking it all the way down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I would definitely be looking for longs on the sort of time frames than this, but I would be paying very close attention to these fib levels. If we get a bounce at a fib level with a breaker structure, I would definitely stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. Taking it all the way down to the 1-hour time frame. So like I said, I would definitely be looking for longs, especially at the end of 3-way pullbacks, which there's been a lot of 3-way pullbacks over the last couple of weeks to go long. But while you're looking for longs, I would be paying very close attention to fib levels. If it goes down and breaks structure at a fib level, I would start looking for shorts again. If it doesn't break structure at a fib level, but continues this high-low series that we're making on the 4-hour time frame, then I would just continue to go long at the end of every single 3-way pullback I see for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.